Alrighty, day 5, page 9. Let's go. Put your name at the top of the paper. And here are our handy dandy number bonds that we're going to be using today. So the directions say fill in the number bonds. This one says cross out one hat. Okay, so I'm going to cross out one hat. They gave me 6 to start with. I took away how many hats? 1 hat, which makes my total 5. So with this one, I put one of my parts in our home hoop and my other part in our home hoop to make our total for our party hoop. Because how many did they give us to start with? 6. And if I take away 1, that leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. This says cross out 5 snowflakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they gave me what to start with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 snowflakes. How many did they tell me to cross out? 5. That's one of my parts, so it goes in a home hoop. And then my other part is how many I have left. So how many do I have left over? Just 1. Now if I add these, 1 and 5 is 6. Cool, huh? That's kind of how addition and subtraction work together. So if I said 6 equals 1 plus 5, it'd be the same as saying oh wait, no, never mind. This is kind of confusing for me without my manual as well, but I know that you just have to put your 2 parts in our home hoops. All right, cross out 2 snowflakes. I'm gonna cross out 2, boom, boom, boom. So they gave me with how many to start with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 snowflakes to start with. I crossed out 2, which leaves me with how many left over? 1, 2, 3, 4 left over. I started with 6. That was my total. I crossed out how many? 2, which leaves me with 4. Great job. We're just going to keep on flipping over to the next page. Let's keep this train a-rolling, if you will. All right. Fill in the number sentences and the number bonds. All right. This says take away 3 hats. 1, 2, 3. 3 hats are gone. So how many hats did I take away? That's how many I subtracted. 1, 2, 3 hats I took away, which leaves me with how many left over, which is my total. 1, 2, 3 left over, which is my total. How many did I take away? 1, 2, 3. How many was I left with? 3. And when you put these 2 together, they make 6. Good. Take away 4 cubes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 take away how many cubes? 1, 2, 3, 4. Leaves me with how many cubes left over? 2. Awesome. So what's my 1 part? 4. That's how many I took away. How many do I have left over? 2. Draw 6 circles in a 5 group. Take away 2 circles. All right, so in a 5 group, which means there's 5 on top and 1 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then since I already have 5, I got to drop it down, down low to make 6. Then I have to take away 2 circles. Boom, done, done. All right, so my first number, whenever I subtract, is always my total. So what was my total to start with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 was my total. Then I took away how many circles? 2. I took away, now it looks like an equal sign. I took away how many circles? 2, which leaves me with how many more? 1, 2, 3, 4 left over. Good. So what were my 2 parts? Well, how many did I take away? 2. And then what was my total after I took away those 2 circles? 4. 4 is my other part. Great job, everyone. So proud of you. Keep up all this great work.